Hey everybody, here's a little video of my chickens and my rooster, Abner. And over there, those are the chicks. They're about 2.5 months old. The two yellow ones, the breed is called Silky. They have feathers on their feet. And the two brown ones, their breed is Easter eggers. When they get to laying, they're supposed to lay pastel-colored eggs. Those Silkies are cute looking with the feathers on their feet. And my grown hens, I've raised them since they were 4 days old. And then after, I forget how long I've had the rooster. Someone had a whole bunch of roosters and needed to get rid of some, and I picked him because of his colors. I don't know where my other black and white one is. She's around. They are fun. They all have different personalities. And I know some of you have been wanting to see my hens and roosters, so I thought I'd try to get this video. Thank you for watching.